Google Chrome Setup for Windows 11 Step-by-Step Guide, UK, USA, AUS, CAN. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Dezco Morgan. In today's video, we're going to show you exactly how to install and set up Google Chrome on Windows 11, step by step. Whether you're in the UK, USA, Australia, or Canada, this guide is beginner-friendly and super easy to follow. Let's jump right in. 1. Download Chrome Show Desktop, open Microsoft Edge. First, open your default browser, usually Microsoft Edge, and go to google.com/chrome. Click on the blue Download Chrome button. A setup file will begin downloading at the bottom of your screen. 2. Install Chrome Show user clicking the .exe file. Once it's downloaded, click the file to run the installer. Windows may ask for permission, click Yes. The setup will now automatically install Chrome. It may take a few moments depending on your system. 3. Set Chrome as default. Chrome opens right pointing arrow, set as default browser. When Chrome opens, you'll see a prompt asking if you'd like to make it your default browser. Click Yes. This way, all your links and web searches will open in Chrome. 4. Sign in and sync Google sign-in screen. Next, sign in with your Google account. This allows you to sync bookmarks, passwords, and history across devices. If you don't have a Google account, you can create one for free. 5. Customize appearance. Show Chrome themes, dark, light mode. Want to make Chrome look the way you like? Click the 3 dots in the top right corner, right pointing arrow settings, right pointing arrow appearance. You can switch to dark mode or even install free Chrome themes from the web store. 6. Privacy settings. Chrome settings, right pointing arrow privacy and security. Head to settings, right pointing arrow privacy and security to control your browsing data. You can clear history, block cookies, and enhance safety with safe browsing. 7. Install extensions. Visit Chrome Web Store. Chrome is powerful because of its extensions. Visit the Chrome Web Store and try extensions like AdBlock, Grammarly, or LastPass to boost your browsing experience. Outro. And that's it. You've now installed and set up Google Chrome on Windows 11 like a pro. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment where you're watching from, UK, USA, AUS, or CAN. See you in the next one. Welcome to the Ultimate Guide. In this video, we're walking you through the full process of downloading, installing, and setting up Google Chrome on a Windows 11 PC. Whether you're in the UK, USA, Australia, or Canada, this guide is tailored for you. Why Google Chrome? Google Chrome is one of the fastest and most secure web browsers available today. It's known for its sleek design, fast performance, and seamless integration with Google services like Gmail, YouTube, and Google Drive. Step 1. Launch your current browser. On a brand new Windows 11 computer, Microsoft Edge is the default browser. Click on the Start menu, search for Edge, and open it to get started. Step 2. Go to the Google Chrome website. In Microsoft Edge, type in www.google.com/chrome. This will take you directly to Chrome's official download page. Step 3. Start the download. Click the blue Download Chrome button. A pop-up window may appear. Just confirm the download by clicking Accept and Install. Step 4. Save the installer file. Your browser will prompt you to save the installer file. Click Save and wait for the download to finish. The file is usually saved in your Downloads folder. Step 5. Run the installer. After the download completes, click on the file named chromesetup.exe to begin the installation process. Step 6. Allow changes. Windows will ask if you want to allow this app to make changes to your device. Click Yes to proceed. Step 7. Installation begins. Chrome will now install. This process usually takes less than a minute, depending on your internet speed and system performance. Step 8. Launch Google Chrome. Once installation is complete, Chrome will automatically open. You'll see a clean and minimalistic home screen. Step 9. Make Chrome your default browser. A prompt will appear saying, "Make Google Chrome your default browser." Click Set as default, and you will be taken to Windows settings. Step 10. Update default browser in settings. Inside the settings window, scroll down until you find Web Browser. Click on the current browser, likely Microsoft Edge, and choose Google Chrome from the drop-down list. Step 11. Log into Google Chrome. In the upper right corner, click on the profile icon. Then select Sign into Chrome to synchronize your bookmarks, history, passwords, and more. Step 12. Select your sync options. Once signed in, Google will prompt you to enable sync. You can opt to sync all or customize what you want Chrome to save. Step 13. Import bookmarks and preferences. Chrome allows you to import bookmarks, saved passwords, and browsing history from Edge or other browsers. Simply follow the prompts that appear. Step 14. Personalize Chrome's look. Click on the three-dot menu in the top right corner, go to Settings, and select Appearance. Here, you can change the theme, activate the Home button, and modify the toolbar. Step 15. Add useful extensions. Visit the Chrome Web Store and explore handy extensions such as ad blockers, password managers, and productivity tools. Step 16. Activate dark mode. To make browsing more comfortable for your eyes, navigate to Windows Settings, Personalization, Colors, and select Dark Mode. Chrome will align with your system theme. Step 17. Pin Chrome to the taskbar. Right-click on the Chrome icon and choose Pin to Taskbar for easy access whenever you start your PC. Step 18. Include Chrome in your Start menu. You can also right-click Chrome in the Start menu and select Pin to Start for quicker access. Step 19. Turn on safe browsing. In Chrome settings under Privacy and Security, activate Enhanced Protection to help protect against dangerous websites and downloads. Step 20. Explore the New Tab page. Chrome's New Tab page lets you see shortcuts to your favorite websites, a search bar, and personalized suggestions based on your activity. Step 21. Set your home page. Go to Settings greater than on Startup, and choose whether to open a specific page, continue where you left off, or open a new tab page every time Chrome starts. Step 22. Update Chrome regularly. Chrome updates itself automatically, but you can manually check for updates in Settings, About Chrome to ensure you're always using the latest version. Final thoughts. That's it. You've successfully installed and set up Google Chrome on your Windows 11 device. Whether you're in London, New York, Sydney, or Toronto, your browsing experience is now faster, safer, and fully personalized. Using Chrome across devices. One of the best features of Chrome is its ability to sync across devices. If you sign into the same Google account on your phone or tablet, your bookmarks, history, and open tabs will be accessible everywhere. Managing downloads in Chrome. Click the three-dot menu and go to Downloads to view your recent downloads. You can also change the download location in Settings, Advanced, Downloads. Browsing in incognito mode. Want to browse privately? Press Ctrl+Shift+N or CMD+Shift+N on Mac to open an incognito window, where Chrome won't save your history, cookies, or site data. Clearing cache and cookies. Over time, websites store data that can slow things down. Go to Settings, Privacy and Security, clear browsing data to clean up and speed up your browser. Using Chrome profiles. Chrome allows multiple user profiles. This is great if your PC is shared. Each profile can have separate bookmarks, settings, and extensions, perfect for families or shared workspaces. Chrome's Task Manager. Chrome has its own Task Manager. Press Shift+ESC to open it. You can see which tabs or extensions are using the most memory or CPU and end them if needed. Keyboard shortcuts to save time. Learning shortcuts like Ctrl+T, open new tab, Ctrl+W, close tab, and Ctrl+Shift+T, reopen closed tab, can boost your productivity while browsing. Changing your search engine. By default, Chrome uses Google, but you can switch to Bing, DuckDuckGo, or others via Settings, Search Engine, Manage Search Engines. Enabling autofill and payment methods. Go to Settings, Autofill to manage saved addresses, passwords, and payment info. This makes online shopping and form filling much faster. Help and support. If you run into any issues, visit the Chrome Help Center via Settings, About Chrome, Help. You'll find troubleshooting steps, facts, and community support. 1. Creating desktop shortcuts. 1. If you want quick access to specific websites, you can create desktop shortcuts. 1. Just open the website, click the three-dot menu greater than More Tools, create shortcut, and it'll appear on your desktop like an app. 2. Using Chrome as a web app launcher. 2. Some sites like YouTube, Gmail, and Google Docs can work as standalone apps. 2. Click the three-dot menu greater than, save and share, greater than, install site as app, for a cleaner experience. 3. Managing tabs efficiently. 3. Chrome allows you to group tabs. 3. Right-click a tab and choose, add tab to new group. 3. Give it a name and color, great for organizing work or research tabs. 4. Pinning tabs for frequent use. 4. Right-click on a frequently visited tab and click Pin. 4. It will move to the left of the tab bar and take up less space, making multitasking more efficient. 5. Using the reading list feature. 5. See a link you want to check later? 5. Click the bookmark icon and choose Add to Reading List. 5. You can access saved pages anytime from the side panel. 6. Accessing experimental features. 6. Advanced users can type CHROME:// in the address bar to test experimental Chrome features. 6. Just be cautious, these are still in development. 7. Managing site permissions. 7. Go to Settings, Privacy and Security, Site Settings to control what information websites can access, like your camera, microphone, or location. 8. Using Google Translate in Chrome. 8. Chrome can automatically offer to translate foreign language websites. 8. You can enable this in Settings, Languages. 9. Syncing bookmarks manually. 9. If sync is off, you can still export and import bookmarks. 9. Go to Bookmarks Manager greater than, click the three-dot menu greater than, export bookmarks, and import them later on another device. 10. Uninstalling Chrome, if needed. 10. Although we love Chrome, if you ever need to uninstall it, go to Windows Settings, Apps, Installed Apps, Google Chrome, Uninstall. 10. Don't forget to back up your bookmarks first.